It's like lexicon, dictionary, right? Pragmatics, اللغة التطبيقية أو علم اللغة التطبيقي, the study of language, meaning and context. So all of these 5 points or 5 fields are the contents of are the fields that you're going to cover when you study linguistics. However, we still have one, what is phonetics and phonology. Phonetics and phonology, it is to study the speech, sounds or phones. You know what is phones? It's any sound in this language. So phonetics and phonology is concerned with speech, sounds or phones. So every language has a small number of regularly number of sounds, vowels and consonants. Any language. We call these sounds لاحظوا phonemes. What do we call them? Phonemes. So from now on, من الآن وطالع, phonemes means vowels and consonants. Sounds of vowels and consonants. So the vowels in the word pen and pin are different phonemes. The consonants at the beginning of the words pit, هذا هو, and bit are also different phonemes. So the P right here, the E and the I, pin and pen, pit and bet. So we have here, we have different phonemes, and the P and the B, also we have different phonemes. Different sounds, right? It sounds different. Okay? English spelling has a notoriously confusing nature. For this reason, it is important to think of English pronunciation in terms of phonemes and not in terms of letters of the alphabet. خلاص هذا زمان. We think of English as letters, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, blah, blah, blah. Now we are going to think of English as phonemes, sounds, okay? The word enough begins with some phoneme as that at the beginning of inept and ends with the same consonant as the stuff. لاحظوا enough, inna, the same thing, inna, enough, inept. So they have the same phoneme, same sounds. And here, it's the first 3 letters and the first 3 letters right here. So, sorry, sounds. And if you look at of, it's just like stuff. So they have similar phonemes, although they have different letters. So phonetics, phonology, what is the difference? Well, phonology, it deals with how speech sounds are organized into patterns or systems for each individual language. While phonetics, it deals with how sounds are made, how the human beings make these sounds, okay? Or how speech sounds are perceived, how we receive it. And it also deals with speech sounds and the physics involved. So we have 3 branches in phonetics that deals with every one right here. So how speech sounds are made is called articulatory phonetics. Articulatory phonetics, and we will discuss it. Okay? How the speech sounds are perceived is called phonetics auditory. And the speech sounds and the physics of the involved, it's called phonetics acoustics. We'll basically look at the articulatory phonetics, okay, how these sounds are made, and we will try to imitate them. Just do the same one, like we should do the same way, okay? It's going to be a practical course. But why it's important to learn about the phonetics and phonology? First of all, because